Welcome to this tutorial video, where we'll show you how to quickly access Subtitle Burner and add subtitles in multiple languages to your videos in just a few minutes. If you're new here, go to our products section and find Subtitle Burner. As a visitor, you can use the tool for free, but your video will have a watermark. Details are available in the page description. If you have an account, log in first. With a free account, you can add subtitles to videos under 4 minutes without a watermark. Let's log in and find Subtitle Burner on the products page. Next, upload your video and subtitles. If you need subtitles in different languages, you can upload all the SRT or VTT files together. You'll receive separate download links for each language via email. The last step is choosing your preferred styles, like font size and type. You can preview how it looks before processing the video. Once everything is set, click Start Processing. You can close the page or start over with another video. You'll receive an email with a preview and download link for the subtitled videos. If you have any questions, email support@VideoLocalize.com.